Okay, good afternoon. Now I'm back to Datung Junior High School, and this week, Pasang teacher is teaching our members to do the Dayan traditional loom. It's kind of clothes making machine, and now the step is to apply the protective varnish. See that? That's a protective varnish, and then just paint it on. Make the wood be more stronger, and then be protective. So besides that, last week I came here to do the Dayan traditional bow and arrow, but I no chance to finish that. So this morning I went to Siji and NanShan. I just came back and I just want to check it out. I just noticed they are still working on their maker workshop. So let's come by to take the videos. Before you apply the protective varnish, you have to kind of scrub your ooze and make it more plain and smooth, and then you just paint it. See that? It's the top product for wood coating. And this one we call the banana water. That means you can melt the coating, melt the paint. I'm so happy to see these new frames. Let's take a look at that. And these are all the small parts of the loom machine, and after that they will combine them together. And for the Dayan people, hunting is the main job for the boys, and for girls, for women's, looming will be their task. And it's so priceless and valuable that we got Teacher Pasang to teach all these teachers this kind of traditional hand making skills. Look at that. Look at the hand hanging back. Nice. And look at this clothes. This cloth. I think this is made by the looming machine. Right. So if they got their own looming machine, after the new semester starts, they can really use some strings to make their own clothing too. Okay, here is Datung Junior High School. The summer vacation, Tayal traditional skills workshop. And hope to see you come see this beautiful campus and see this valuable courses and meet these good friends. See you, bye. Okay, after scrubbing the wood, and we have to clean the wood powder on that to use the spread gun. It's kind of air gone here. Okay, and I have to finish my job first. See you later, bye. Okay, and here is the culture space of 7th grade. It stores their all staff teaching in culture classes. And this is what I see in their student class display, and also the traditional bag. So, and this is so.
其实我老卢姆扎那个应该是3遍，
3遍
哦。